Hey everybody, we just got off our Zoom call and I thought I'd just give you a little quick tips on how to do the frog sequencing thing that I gave you. I gave you the sheet with the different stages of the frog's development, and I wanted you to use your scissors and cut these out and then glue them onto this green piece of paper. But you have to put them in the order that they go, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 stages here, and you're going to put them in that order. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you should do that so you can do it. Okay? And I think you can cut it out. I want you to practice your cutting skills, because when you go to kindergarten, you're going to want to know how to cut and use your strong hands. Okay, so I'm going to put this down now so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Here's my page. So you have your page like this that I gave you, and I just colored mine. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to cut each one of these things out. So remember, with our scissors, the big hole has more fingers in it, and the smaller hole on top has the thumb. And basically what we're doing is just open, close, open, close, open, close. So that's the kind of motion you're going to use. Open, close. And every time we close, it cuts the paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go right across. Open, close, open, close. I'm just going to cut this whole strip out. Open, close, open, close, open, close. There you go. So I cut that all up. Now I'm going to cut this straight line too. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So now we cut that whole strip out. We're going to do the same thing with the bottom too. So we have the top cut here, and we're going to cut this open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. See? And I get rid of that. So now I have 2 strips, and it's going to be easier. I'm just going to open and close, open, close. Now I'll go on this side. Open, close, open, close. So there's my first one. Okay. Now, open, close. There's 2. Open, close. Boom. Let's turn it around. Turn the paper around. Open, close. It's easier to move the paper than it is the scissors. So see how we have the paper like this? We open, close, open, close. Scissor stays here. We move the paper over. Open, close, open, close. And you turn the paper around. You're still here with the scissors. Open, close, open, close. Instead of going like this, you turn the paper around. And we open, close, open, close. So now if we get rid of all the scrap, we have these pictures up here. We have the frog, the froglet, the tadpole, and oops, here's a tadpole with legs, and the egg. So which one do you think goes first? What do you think? I think it's the eggs, and I think you're right, it's the eggs. So I'm going to take the picture with the eggs on it, and I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to put some glue on it. Beep, beep. Remember the corner, each corner. And then we're going to flip it over and put here, right there. That's number 1. And now, do you think the next one is? So he's just growing. He hatches out, and he hatches to just the tadpole. So it kind of looks like a fish with no legs. I'm going to flip that over. I'm going to go to each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 corners. And I'm going to put that right next to it. That's going to be 2. 1, 2. Now, do you think it's this one's next? No, you're right. The next one is a tadpole with little legs. So I put my glue on the back of that one, flip it over. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to make it like a circle here. I decided to do it like this. So it's going to go around in a circle. The next one is the froglet. So he still has a tail, but he has some feet. Bump, 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 bump. He's going to go here. So it's going around in a circle. And then the biggest one is the frog. He has no tail anymore, and there he goes. And what I want to show you is put the cover back on your glue. Bump. And now what I want to show you is how we're going to number this. So you guys know how to write your numbers. So we're going to write, this is 1. So we're going to put 1. This one is 2. So we're going to write 2. This one is 3. We're going to write 3. This one is 4. And this one is 5. Down the block, around the corner, and his hat blows off. So we can actually draw a little line from 1, we do an arrow to 2, an arrow to 3, an arrow to 4, and an arrow to 5. There you go. And that's how you do it. So, I hope that was good explanation. And let's see how you can make the life cycle of your frog. Life cycle of your frog.